Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club, and the stock market is finishing up the week mixed, much like the entirety of the week was. We saw some wild swings both in the stock market itself and in Bitcoin, and it might not be over yet with a couple of things looming. There's the potential for a government shutdown, and consumer sentiment unexpectedly declined in January based on a University of Michigan study that I've linked below in the commentary. But with that, we'll take a look at where the markets stand, give you some key levels to watch next week. Currently, the S&P 500 is trading above 2,800 at 2,806.67, up about 0.7% on the week with a chart analysis score plus 100. Our key level to watch has moved up a little bit to 2,682.36. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. And of course, we're looking at some weekly charts here for the overall markets. Dow Jones currently trading above 26,000, a record that it hit earlier in the week before having a backslide and then a pretty bigger return a day later in the market, but currently trading at 26,015.58 with a chart analysis score of plus 100. Currently up about 0.8% on the week, continuing its climb higher into record levels. Key level to watch would be 24,471.70. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. NASDAQ currently trading at 7,332.35, up a little over 1% on the week, the best of the three indexes. Chart analysis score remains plus 100, with your key level to watch at 6,924.08. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. Dollar index is currently coming under more pressure, hitting a low this week of 89.96, currently trading just above the 90 level at 90.37 with a chart analysis score negative 85, indicating that overall the long-term trend is down and gaining a little bit of strength. Key level to watch should be 92.36. A move above that level will give us a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. Gold currently trading at 1,334.30. We did issue a red daily trade triangle this week indicating a move to a sidelines position for a short-term time frame. Will be its first weekly loss if the trend continues through the Friday close. Currently down not very much, but looking to finish just about even. That would be its first decline in what we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks as gold continued higher. Chart analysis scores plus 85, coming under a little bit of weakening pressure with that red daily trade triangle. However, the long-term trend still remains up for gold. Key level to look for would be 1,344.50. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating a move back to a long position for a short-term time frame. And we'll go to crude oil, much like gold, coming under a little bit of pressure this week, down a little over 1% on the week at 1.23%, currently trading at 63.40. It would be its first weekly decline in looks like 5 weeks there. Chart analysis score plus 85 with a red daily trade triangle and a green monthly and weekly. So overall, the long-term trend is still up for crude oil. Looking for it to head higher. Key level to watch should be 64.35. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating an entry into a long position for the short-term time frame. And we'll go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin here, who's had a tumultuous week. Currently down on the day, trading at 11,234.85, down a little over 21% on the week with a chart analysis score negative 70. And we'll actually back this out to a daily chart here just so you can kind of get an idea of how volatile the week was, with the big drop on the 16th being a little over 17%. Key level to watch, it remains 17,090.52. Need to get above that level to issue a green weekly trade triangle to re-enter the market on an intermediate time frame. And we'll go back and look at a couple of our active trades right now. One's Williams Sonoma, currently up on the day, trading at 55.14 above that 54 level that we've been trying to get above here for a while. Currently with a chart analysis score plus 100, indicating that long-term trend is in place and gaining strength, looking for Williams-Sonoma to head higher. Key level to watch would be 51.48. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial, indicating a move to a sidelines position. And we'll look at Alibaba, which we had a green monthly entry last week at 191.75, only to see it slide down to a low of 179.32 this week, but it has since gained back a little bit, currently down today about 0.5%. However, the chart analysis score still remains plus 85 with a green monthly and green weekly trade triangle, indicating that the long-term trend is up, and we do expect it to head higher. We'll have to see what it brings in the coming weeks. Key level to watch moved up a little bit to 175.70. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial, indicating a move to a sidelines position for Alibaba. With that, have a great weekend, every success, and I'll talk to you next week.